There's no other, there's no other love that I'd rather have known. There ain't no one there, ain't no one else. I just want you for myself, 'cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you can save me from this crazy world we live in. I know we could have it, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you and love you too.
Alicia, that was beautiful. I think that you're better than Taylor Swift, and I think you and Casey are heading straight to Hollywood.
All right, just a shout out to Jules and Walt.
It's okay.
I know you're running to film. Don't look down.
It doesn't now. Don't go too high.
Oh, baby. Good job. That's it, honey.
That's it.